It has been suggested that 1 in 3 jobs that exist today will eventually be done by smart machines, robots and software. Some say as soon as 2025. The robots, it seems, are taking over.
Now, we have some podcasts about the rise of automation, but for this week's podcast on English.com business podcast, we're looking at jobs that only humans can do.
Right then, Jackie, give me a job then that robots can't do that humans can.
Well, they can't taste like humans. Already in the food industry, robot vision is used to grade food. It can identify foreign components, plastic, for example.
Yes, it can see things, can't it,
Yeah.
with cameras.
Read barcodes, etc., etc. Now, there are e-noses that can prevent food poisoning.
E-noses.
Well, they can smell for things like salmonella or E. coli.
Wow, things that...
Well, that will make you ill. But they can't, obviously, robots, they can't smell or taste as humans do. In fact, scientists don't really understand how smell works.
Because we all taste differently as well, don't we? Or taste things differently, rather, and have different food preferences. So presumably, chefs are going to be fairly safe then.
Exactly.
Now, you mentioned vision, Jackie. That's a sense that robots can do. But there are still some jobs which humans are better at. That involves vision. And one is the fire lookout.
Okay, so what fire lookout?
Well, these are the people in the fire towers that stare at the horizon looking for the first signs of fire, which obviously is smoke. And perhaps they can even see a small puff of smoke in the distance. The problem is, in environments with fog, low cloud or haze, smoke can be very difficult to spot and robots can't do it.
Okay, so differentiate between a low cloud on the horizon or a puff of smoke. The humans can do that much better.
Exactly. They do use high-tech cameras and satellites and drones, etc., but they're not quite as good as people.
Now, there are huge fires in the west of the US at the moment. Are they being detected by humans?
Well, as I said, they do use high-tech cameras, drones, etc., and there are fewer lookouts, but human lookouts remain crucial.
Maybe they need more.
Indeed. A dangerous job, though, perhaps.
The last thing, Richard, what makes people happy? It seems that it's not the things that people have, it's the things that people do.
Yeah, so experiences are much more important than possessions.
Yes. And it seems that the interest in outdoor life and adventure tourism is increasing these days. And as a result, tour guides will be pleased to hear that they are much more in demand.
Yes, because these are the people who can show you the best of these places and where to go, what to do, sharing their knowledge and expertise.
Exactly. And we've been on city walks, haven't we, with a tour guide? They've been fascinating.
Exactly. Much better than listening to something on your phone or
the headphones, yeah.
Exactly.
You can ask questions, you can interact. Obviously, there are, you can have your GPS on your smartphone, but at the end of the day, that might replace a map, but a robot can't replace a tour guide.
And that personal experience.
Exactly.
Well, those jobs seem to be pretty safe, don't they? And let's just hope teachers are safe as well.